Hello, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. I'm at Coral Bay Strip at the moment, and it has quite literally been stripped. I'll just poke my camera through here so you can see it. They're putting in a big pipe, and there'll be an article and drone footage on what they're doing. But this film itself is actually about what used to be the Crown Resort Horizon, but it is now being renovated and rebranded as the Cali Resort and Spa, and it's due to open in May. And I don't know how the progress is going, but I will say that a lot of work has been done, and in this film I'm just going to walk around the outside because it's a proper building site now, so I won't be allowed in there, and you can see how much progress has been made. Okay, so now we're at the other end of the hotel complex. I'm wondering if that rubble over there is part of the renovations or whether it's part of Coral Gardens development. There is an official diversion that goes through Coral Bay if you're coming up from Paphos, which doesn't go down this road, but locals tend to use this road instead of the diversion, which is a bit windy. Right, so here's the hotel, and even on a Sunday there's work going on inside. You should be able to hear that banging, and on every hotel room there's like a pallet with, I don't know, tiles or whatnot. So something is happening. It's supposed to be opening in May. Trying to see if what's in those nearer ones. I'm going to walk back round to the Coral Bay Strip where I started from. I'm going to not be adventurous and wander into the grounds because A, they're still working on it, and B, last time I was around here there were some rather large guard dogs. Let's have a quick film here though. Lots of rebar. Now I've already flown the drone. I'm distracted now. So I know that they've done a lot of work in the front area where the pools used to be. I may well tag the drone footage to the end of this film, I'm not sure yet. Yep, last time I walked down here, walked here, coming from in there was ruff, 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 ruff. So I respect doggos. No entry, fair dues. Now I have to say that the pictures they showed of the new complex, the artistic impressions of it, it's going to look very nice inside. Oh, let's have a look at the pool area though. So there's definitely something big happening there. The pool's been completely stripped. A bit further down, as long as that doesn't land on my head. And if the owners of the new resort want me to do a tour of their spa, I'd be more than happy to. I love a good steam room. How sad and pitiful can I get? Now this gate's open, but I think in the spirit of fairness I should remain outside. So I'll just show you what the hotel looks like from here. You can see though through the windows, I don't know if it'll come out on the film, that it's pretty stripped inside now. So a major overhaul is occurring. My arms aren't that long. Now we're coming to Second Cup. Want to know where we are? And to the right we have Coral Bay Beach. Down that way. I'm not going to go there today though. Oh, well, on this film anyway. But yes, so to get to Coral Bay Beach, you either, so there's a weird echo here, come down this road, or the diversion which will take you, see, I don't know if you saw where that car went, where that funny little awning is that the car's under. You come out there where the bus is and you're right next to Coral Bay Beach. I'm not sure what's going to be in that building over there with the weird H on it. I'll just take you back up to the main entrance though. I'll pan round. So, something is most definitely happening at the old Crown Resort, and soon we'll be able to welcome in a new hotel. Thanks for watching.